Hey guys, welcome back to another stream. And today we're going to be trading channels combined with breakouts. We're probably going to be skimming between the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frames. I'm going to be trading breakouts within the channels I mark out. And what's great about this stream is I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what channels are, the significance behind these channels, how to trade them, and how you can ultimately make money using channels. They're an incredibly simple concept, but yet powerful. It is London session as we speak. We're trading the live markets and the live markets only. Favorited all the active London session pairs, which of course is the Euro, GBP, and CHF pairs. It's going to be good. It's going to be interesting. We're going to be sticking to 1 to 3 minute trade durations, and we'll be risking about $100 per trade. We'll be risking just over 4% of the account per trade. I do encourage you guys to use proper risk management, not risking more than 5% of your account per trade. But obviously we're going to jump straight into things here. But before we do that, okay, before we get into what channels are all about, and I'm not talking about YouTube channels, I'm talking about trend channels. I do have a free Telegram trading group, which you guys can join. The links are all in the description below to that. Yeah, I send out free weekly signals, free educational content that you guys can learn a lot from. It will help you expand your trading knowledge beyond belief. I actually just posted something today about the significance behind support and resistance. So go and check that out. It is free. And of course, if you want to rank up, if you want to make money every single day, because that is what trading is about, I do have a VIP trading group, which is also free to join. The link is in the description below to my referral link. All you have to do is sign up. Sign up under my referral link. You'll have lifetime access. Of course, all you need to do is deposit a minimum of $5 so you have something to trade with. Your money, my signals. And I don't ask anything else of you. So all you have to do, and you'll join, I send out 5 signals per day, Monday to Friday. 2 signals in the morning for London session, 3 signals in the afternoon for New York session. And I send out 25 signals per week. And I have a win rate over 75% with a proven track record. I post all my results in the free group, so if you are curious, go and check that stuff out. The link is in the description below to all that stuff. But yeah, we're going to get straight into things here. Make sure that you smash a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss a thing. So what are channels? Channels are simple trend lines that you use to mark up on the chart that helps you identify momentum and short to medium to long-term trends on the chart. Channels can be marked up on absolutely any time frame. They're not 100% accurate. It's just an estimate, a rough sort of markup of the current direction of price. That's all it is. So let's just take, we've got GBP JPY here, for example, and let's just take a look at what GBP JPY is doing, okay? GBP JPY is obviously moving to the upside. The easiest way to identify a channel before you even mark it up is looking at what market structure is doing. So here we can see we're on the 1 minute time frame. We're looking at GBP JPY. Market structure is bullish. Price is forming higher highs and higher lows. That's evident. So what you do in this situation is you grab your trend line and you look for the top of the range, which would be above price, and you mark that up. Grab another trend line parallel to the trend line you've marked out here, and now you have a channel. Price is moving in an upward channel. Price is now in an uptrend. And this genuinely and generally helps you know which direction price is moving in. Okay, and then you can do all these nitty-gritties of looking for other confluences to trade in these channels. But it's a great way to identify trends. Now, even if we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see, okay, what is GBP JPY doing long term? Okay, we're on the 4-hour time frame right now. Price is forming higher highs and higher lows. So if we mark it up, we have the bottom of the channel here. Okay, we grab another trend line and we move it parallel. So we've now got a channel. GBP JPY is moving to the upside. Market structure is bullish. Okay, let's take a look at an asset or a pair that is moving in a downtrend. Let's go look at something that's moving in a downtrend. Here we go. Simple. Okay, Euro AUD. Euro AUD on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we have the top of the range. Market structure is bearish. Price is forming lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so here we go. We have the top of the channel. Okay, we clone the trend line. Mark it out parallel. What do we have now? The bottom of the channel. And this can be marked up on any time frame, even the 5-second time frame if you really, really wanted to. Okay, what is price doing? Price has formed a swing to the upside here. 5-second time frame, bang. Okay, top of the channel, bottom of the channel. Market structure is bullish. Now you can trade within this channel. Now, what happens to the channel when price breaks, let's say, the opposite direction? Okay, what happens if price breaks below the channel? The channel now becomes invalid. That's when you can sort of switch it around. So if we go to like the 5-minute time frame, for example, let's take euro order in this situation here. Okay, we're in a downtrend here. Okay, as we can see, price is forming lower lows and lower highs. All right, this is the general short-term direction of price movement. This is momentum. We've got momentum to the downside, but then we can see eventually price breaks out of that channel and starts moving to the upside. So what happens? This channel sort of becomes invalid now. Simple. Okay, so what now? We adjust the channel. What is price doing now? It's forming higher highs and higher lows. Look at that. Simple. So simple. Okay, higher highs and higher lows. Now we've got a channel parallel, two trend lines parallel to one another, and now we've got price moving within this channel. Okay, and remember, these channels are not 100% accurate. I don't recommend, having your trend lines right on price because that can be a little too tight. Give it a little bit of distance, a bit of breathing room. So if price does consolidate and then proceed to, move to the upside, it doesn't break the channel and you seem to think in your mind, okay, price is going to come to the downside now. When you give that a little bit of distance, it gives price to breathe, room to breathe and to move. It's really, really that simple. And this is simply what we're going to be trading today. What is USD CHF saying? Still a lot of leeway to come down. We've got a downward channel right here. Beautiful. Look at that, right? Market structure is bearish, forming lower lows, lower highs. I like the looks of that channel. And of course, we can see that price is struggling to push up here. We've got a little trend line here. If we get a trend line break, I'll look for 3-minute sells. We do somewhat have resistance here, form a support zone, and I think price breaks support here at 0.78928 along with this trend line. Again, I've not pushed it up against the bodies of the candle because sometimes you get those fake outs. So I would need to see a break below here, and then we can take a 3-minute sell. I zoomed out on the 4-hour time frame. There's still a lot of leeway for price to move here at the moment. So looking pretty good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. There we go. 3-minute sell, USD CHF. Yeah, let's see what happens. Sweet. Look at that. Such a simple trade again, right? A 77% payout. We start off with a W. And if we take a look at things here, so simple, guys. Look at this, right? What is price doing? Market structure is bearish. Look at price just dropping. Sweet. We marked out our channel, just by the way, parallel to one another. The trend lines are not right up against the candles. There's, breathing room for the candles. That was about 4 confluences. Market structure is bearish. Rejection off a resistance level. Break of support. Break of a trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a 78%. Excuse me, 77% pound. Minus 45-point drop. Ka-ching, ka-ching. Okay, Euro USD is very bullish. As you can see, price is forming higher highs and higher lows. Just like that. Okay. We've got an upward channel. What is price saying? Price is busy breaking out here at the moment. Got a resistance break. which I will probably look for 2-minute buys. There we go. Bit of an impulsive trade, but price is busy pushing to the upside. The USD is dropping. Yeah, she's risen very nicely here. She's risen very, very nicely. I'm very happy with that. Momentum is obviously bullish. 92% payout. Thank you very much. Second W. So obviously, I did catch this one a little bit late. We got an upward channel, bullish market structure. Following that bullish market structure, price will probably keep moving up unless we get a pullback of some sort. And we secured a 92% payout. That's plus 5 points. That's 2 wins in a row. Okay, let's look for some more setups. I think I might do maybe another 1 or 2 trades depending on what sort of setups we can find. Okay, GBP/JPY, bullish. Bullish market structure. As you can see, price is moving to the upside, higher highs and higher lows. Let's go and see what price is saying. Okay, we've got a breakout to the upside here. Again, we have a little resistance level here. Okay. We have some support here. Just like that, which price has dropped back down to, and it looks like it's respected. If we get a break above this trend line at 215.026, I will lock in a 2-minute buy position. Not really going to wait for candle closure. You see some nice volume kicking in. I'm going to take the buy. There we go. A little bit late. Okay. That's 3 wins in a row. 3 wins in a row. Another simple resistance break, right? Plus 15 points. 78% payout. Okay, as you can see, GBP/JPY is bullish. We got an initial break above resistance right here. Price came back, retested support, respected support. Important. Okay, consolidated a little bit, and then we got a nice little break of resistance right here at 215.026. Price started to push above it with some nice bullish momentum, and then we just followed price, and that's another win. I'll look for one more trade. Okay, GBP orders breaking out of this downward channel we have here. Excuse me, this upward channel. GBP orders breaking out of this upward channel. I might take a small support break over here. So price has moved up to resistance, failed to push higher. I would say as long as we don't break above resistance here, price has moved up into resistance. It's broken out of this bullish channel we have. So price has started to form a bearish channel that we have right here. If price respects resistance, we'll take a break off support at 1.88362, and I'll be pretty happy with a 2-minute sell. It looks like resistance is being respected, but we'll need to see a support break here at 1.88362, and the most likely target will be support down here at 1.88285 for GBP ORD. It's not an A+ setup. It's not an A+ setup by any means. The only thing that's bothering me about this trade is we have a double rejection here. So it looks like sturdy support. Now the question is support going to be respected? Because we do have a support zone down here actually. I haven't marked out the zone. I suppose I could just mark it out. Take a look at this support. That's my only concern, is that I just don't want to be faked out. That's all. Yeah, what I'm actually looking at here is a potential trendline break. Potential trendline break here on GBP ORD. It's a risky one. We have a little bit of support here, and we're getting a breakout, it looks like. There we go. I'm going to take a 2-minute sell. Got the volume I wanted. Yeah, support is being respected a little too much here. Is what it is. Yeah, that support zone I was talking about was this one. That's why I wasn't so keen on the setup. We have some support here. This double bottom at 1.88347. I was like, ah. But yeah, so overall, 3 wins, 1 loss. A simple channel, trend line / support and resistance strategy. Extremely easy to put together. Skimming between the 1 minute and the 5 minute time frame. And we caught some beautiful trades. Seriously. This stream contains so much valuable information that none of these binary options traders will show you. They will stick to their OTC business and open... Well, let's go take a look. 200 trades. I've opened 4 trades here, okay? Not over trading, sticking to 4 or 5 trades a day, risk management, proper strategy. But yeah, guys, I hope you learned a thing or two today. All I can say is just continue to practice, continue to learn. And once you do that with a little bit of determination and a little bit of enthusiasm, sky's the limit. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you smash a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn post notifications on. Much love, guys. And I will see you in the next one.